it's here. Okay. I've been waiting for this so I can open it on video and share it with you guys. I got from Planterina, the Cebu Blue Pothos. I've actually never even seen one in person, but it's here and I'm gonna open it. It's pretty. Okay. Ah, Planterina. Don't let me down, girl. Look at this. This is so nicely packaged. It feels like it's in a good sized pot. I got care instructions and everything. Okay. Oh, the leaves look perfect. Well, there it is, y'all. Oh, wow, there's lots of new growth in here, too. Very nice. Ah. A little bit of hard water stains from Florida, but that's all right. Just probably... That is so pretty. Thank you, Planterina. I love it.